In this video, I will show you how to use ExpressVPN. Open the ExpressVPN app on your mobile device, ensuring it is already installed. Explore the available plans. You have options like 12 months plus 3 months free at $667 per month, 1 month at $12.99 per month, and 6 months at $9.99 per month. Once you are in the app, you will see your IP address displayed. Take advantage of advanced protection features to control your online experience securely. Check out the time-protected feature to monitor your VPN usage. View your current location and easily switch to different VPN locations by searching for cities or countries. Disconnect from the VPN by tapping the power button again. Access additional options by tapping on options. You can adjust VPN protocols and reinstall VPN configurations as needed. Enhance your security further by exploring advanced protection options like blocking trackers, malicious sites, and ads. Configure network protection settings to control internet access when VPN connections are interrupted. Choose whether to help improve ExpressVPN by toggling the relevant option in settings. Adjust the language settings to your preference. Access your account details, including account status and subscription information. Explore privacy and security tools such as IP address checkers and DNS leak tests within the app. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on ExpressVPN. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.